Uh-huh. Come on. What did she say? We are not yet done, and why? There's one more missing object. Are you sure, Yanni? Uh-huh. Let's ask Ira first. Hey, Ira, is there one more? No more. Okay, to be fair, I'm gonna ask the audience. Hey guys, is there one more missing object? Are you sure? Really? Oh, you've made Ira sad. Hey, Yanni, cut that out. If there's one more missing object, could you please tell Ira what it is? Let's say?
Balloon.
What? Gone! Ira, right, Yanni? Oh, I think it's a mission for us to search for that missing toy gun. Let's go! Vámonos! Isn't there? Let's keep searching. Don't touch super trainers. Keep listening. Keep searching. Any sign of it yet? Nothing. Well, let's keep searching. Girls, what are you doing, huh? I said keep on searching. Any updates? Yes, it's on. What's that? Oh, she found it. Well, go ahead and prove it to what? Hey, Eric, can you find it? No? That's me. Ah, there she is. She found it. I am a plus for a Yanni girl. Great job. Oh, another one to Ira to cheer her up. Blah, 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 more. Mission accomplished. And now we've come to the part of the show where one of you will be able to meet Ira close. If you're willing to volunteer, all you have to do is to raise your right hand. And our trainers down there will choose one. We need an adult for this. While waiting for our lucky guest in case you'd like to know, here at Manila Ocean Park, we have 6 South American sea lions consisting of 5 teams.